Okay, this is my first attempt at making a video. In this video I want to show you how to make holes. I'm starting with just a cube. Um, your assignment may be a little bit different, but I'm excuse me, I'm starting with just a cube. Um, just like if we were going to make a sketch on another face, the option for hole is right here. When you go to the hole option, you're going to want to make sure that the placement is set to linear. There's a few other options here, but we want to set it to linear. And then you can adjust how deep you want the hole to be and what diameter you want the hole to be. For the dice that we're about to make, we want the depth to be 0.125, I think, and we want the diameter of the hole to be 0.4. So I just set those. I'm not hitting apply or OK or anything yet. I'm just setting those. Now I come over here, and wherever I click, it's going to make a hole with those parameters. So I'm just going to click, and there's a hole. I don't want to hit anything yet. The way to edit this hole is there's two things. There's a gold ring around the outside of it. I can just click and drag, and that will change the hole's diameter. You can see that being indicated in the dialog box, so I can set that to anything that I want. Or I can click on the little dot in the middle, and it'll turn gold. And once that's gold, I can drag it around to anywhere that I want. Another way to set the position, and you'll find this real useful when you're doing the lab, is if you come over to the edges of your cube, it'll turn red if it's active. If it doesn't turn red, just grab onto the little dot and just give it a little bit of a move, and then it'll turn red. And then when you click on any one of those sides, it pops up a dialog box and tells you how far away that is. So you can set that. I'll set it to 1 inch, and you don't hit enter or anything. Just set it to 1 inch, and it pops it over immediately. And then maybe I can click over here, and that pops up. And maybe I'll set that one to 2 inches, and you see the hole move over. At this point now, I can still reset the diameter of the hole if I want to, but its position is locked. I can't grab onto this middle button anymore and do that. If I do want to change that, I can just come over here and kind of double click on that number, maybe change that to 2.5, wherever I want it to be. And that's it. Once I'm done, I can hit apply, and now there's my hole. When I hit apply, it leaves the hole box open, so I can come back in here and click wherever I want, and it's going to make another hole using exactly the same depth and diameter parameters that I had before, but I can still go in and edit it. So I can keep making holes when I hit apply, as many as I want, and I'll stay in that option until I finally hit the OK button, or at this point I can cancel, but I'll make one more hole, and now I'll say OK, and so now I'm done with making holes.